let's use the Laragon as our web server. So this is the Laragon database, the Laragon server itself. So this is my browser, this is my website. I want to disable this dashboard from the backend. You can see this is my dashboard menu. So I want to disable it from developer account. So once I refresh it now, you see that the dashboard is no more there using Laragon. So let me go and enable it back to my dashboard. So I'll refresh it now. You can see the dashboard is showing now. So I'm using Laragon here as my local web server, though we need to disable the SQL STRICT mode for now so that it will work perfectly on Laragon. So our next improvement now is our framework is going to be working with database that is on SQL STRICT mode. Thank you so much.